a memorial for 3 heroes. Families of the 3 thronged the venue. The remains of Major T.J. Maria, Captain F.P. Hugo and Captain M.A. Wemby handed to their families.
From the moment they got the news, we were communicated with. They were always there for us. They would come over and ask us how best they can help us. They gave us all the lowdown, the workings of the army.
It showed people that there can come something good out of what people see as a low-class community.
A board of inquiry has been set up to investigate.
We have convened a board of inquiry to investigate circumstances that led to the crash. I appeal and urge all present today to ignore speculations around this matter and await the final report of the board of inquiry.
The 2 airmen will receive a semi-military funeral, while Captain Wemby will get a full military funeral. Offenses Timo, SABC News, Pretoria.